ready to unleash your inner artist and create stunning visuals right from your phone. First, download Nano Banana from your App Store. Once you've installed and opened it, you'll see the main dashboard with options to start a new project or work on an existing one. To kick things off, tap Create New Image and select your desired aspect ratio, like a standard Instagram post or a widescreen format for YouTube thumbnails. Now explore the editing tools, from basic adjustments like brightness and contrast, to fun filters, text overlays, and a vast library of stickers to spice things up. For that extra wow factor, tap the AI Enhance tool to instantly improve the quality of your image, sharpening details and optimizing colors for a professional finish. Adding text is easy. Tap the text icon, type your message, and customize the font, size, and color to match your creative vision. Once you're satisfied with your masterpiece, tap the Export button, save it to your gallery, and share it with the world. With Nano Banana, you can transform ordinary snapshots into stunning visuals anytime, anywhere, leveraging the power of AI to elevate your mobile creative process. So get out there and start creating.